Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cultural exchange programs with Ally Bank step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Ally Bank website. Locate the Personal Finance section on the homepage. Click on the Investments tab. Scroll down to find information on cultural exchange programs. Read about the different types of investment options available. Select the specific cultural exchange program that interests you. Review the eligibility requirements for participants. Fill out the necessary application forms provided online. Provide personal and financial information as requested. Choose your investment amount based on your budget. Consider setting up automatic contributions for regular investments. Review the terms and conditions associated with your investment. Submit your application and investment information. Monitor your investment status through the Ally Bank dashboard. Reach out to customer support if you have any questions. Stay updated on performance reports and cultural exchange outcomes. Engage with the community involved in the program for additional insights. Evaluate your investment after a set period. Make adjustments as needed to align with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.